Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is a first for me. I have never done how-to videos before, so bear with me. This is a strap from Draco. Sneak preview, the watch review will be coming soon on this. It's absolutely beautiful. Right, we'll get on to the strap. Now then, have you ever come across these butterfly clasps on a leather band? I have, but I have never owned one. So it was a learning curve for me how to get it to fit. See, it's got that pin there and you can't push the strap through. Well, here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you look at the clasp, you can see just there, there's a little mark. Lift it there. And then, as you can see, you've got the post. So you get your strap, it's trial and error. You push the strap through like this. You can see where I've been wearing this strap. It's very difficult to do through a viewfinder, but anyway, we'll just do it from there just so you can see. You find, so it says so you can see, you find the hole, push it through, push it in, and there you go. Job's a good one. Then you put it on your arm as per normal, which is very difficult to do like this, as I say. There we go. And if you want to, you can fold that into the first hole before you do it. Simple as that, but it might help someone out to do it. So just look for that little pin there on the keeper there, and away you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.